Hello dear friends, come near, come stay, a funny tale will bloom today. The sun is bright, the breezes play, Bluey runs free in fields so gay. Her paws tap fast on grassy ground, she hears a squeal, a tumbling sound. Through flowers tall, what does she see? A pig rolls round so crazily. Its tail curls tight, its ears flop wide, it spins in circles side to side. It oinks and squeaks, it flips, it falls, then bounces back with cheerful calls. Bluey just laughs, her eyes shine clear, this pig is silly, so full of cheer. The pig jumps high, then trips, then sings, it wiggles round on wobbly springs. They chase, they race, they tumble fast, their giggles echo, built to last. The pig snorts loud, its snout so pink, Bluey barks bright, they wink, they blink. Come join our fun, come laugh, come play, subscribe for joy in every day. Adventures shine, both old and new, we'll share kind tales made just for you. The sun climbs high, the meadow glows, the silly pig in circles goes. It dives in hay, then pops right out, Bluey claps paws, she cheers, she shouts. The pig rolls down a little hill, it tumbles, stumbles, never still. Its oinks go loud, the grass bends low, the butterflies just dance in flow. Bluey leaps high to join the fun, their shadows stretch beneath the sun. They twirl, they spin, the sky turns bright, their hearts feel light in golden light. But then the breeze grows soft and slow, the pig lies down, its snores now show. Bluey rests close, her tail curled tight, they watch the clouds drift through the night. The crickets sing, the stars peek through, the world grows calm with silver hue. Bluey sighs sweet, her eyes grow deep, the pig beside drifts off to sleep. So hush, dear friends, let love draw near, we'll meet again with songs of cheer. Come back for play, adventures new, and Bluey loves you too.